Silver this week has rise in value. We can see the week has started here with a bearish candle, where the price has reached the first support level, 31.21, and then bouncing from this support level, going all the way back up. We can see that trying to make a bullish breakout on a Friday above 32.19, but the price has returned back down. This very important resistance level has stopped the price from closing the day above. Week has been closed as a bullish. We can see that after the price has formed this bullish candle body inside between the resistance and the support, the price continued to rise in value and reaching the resistance, forming another bullish candle, but with large wicks on the upper and the lower side. Month before has closed as a bullish, making a bullish breakout. We can see that, and also this week and this month has continued to rise in value, making a bullish one. This bullish breakout on the monthly time frame suggests further rise in value all the way to the next resistance level, which means 32.19, and this target is already reached. What could happen around this area, which is a resistance? This is something that we can see that on the lower time frames, and the price has already done, forming a strong wick on the upper side, especially visible on the daily. Now we can see this is a very important resistance level that needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value again. Will it happen? This is something that we need to wait. I will wait for the price to make a bullish breakout, especially on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, which I am sharing with the trading community. When the price makes a breakout, it will be a signal for the daily time frame to go above and reaching 33115 next resistance and the supply zone. Will the price bounce from this area? It depends, because this is all already for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the 7th attempt on the daily time frame for the price to make a bullish breakout, and it has the larger wick on the upper side. It was the Friday, highly volatile day, especially at the end of the week. So we'll see how the Monday closes, because it is very important. Now I am waiting for the bullish breakout, or the price continue to fall down even more. This is something that we need to wait and especially see on the lower time frames how the price behaves. Now we can see that this area, which is a supply zone around this resistance level, is very important, and also it is pretty important to put them on the right spot, on the right place, because when the price make a breakout, it will continue to rise in value. And if it doesn't break, it could go back below in the opposite direction. So how to create this area of supply zone and the resistance, it is something that I'm sharing inside the PDF strategy. The link for the downloading will be below in the description. So get that if you would like to read and check the details. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.